Hey everybody, just wanted to get on here before I started the cocktail to just do a quick introduction. So my name is Jordan. I just recently moved to Fernie here in BC, Canada. And while I was here I started working at this bar slash distillery called Fernie Distillers, and I have been making cocktails for some time now, and I thought it would be cool to share these cocktails with you. They're a lot of fun, they're tasty, it's totally different than anything I've ever had, so I thought I'd get on here and share it with you. So we'll just be going through some cocktails. Let's get into the drink. And welcome to my first drink tutorial video. Today I'm going to be making you a Trinidad Sour. Now I just found out a few weeks ago that there's actually a precursor to the Trinidad Sour, which is the Trinidad Especial. So I might make that eventually, but right now we're going to do the Trinidad Sour. So first you're going to get some Orgeat, which is a almond syrup. It's usually 2-to-1, but there are different recipes depending on the application. I like a 2-to-1 syrup, so you're just going to do a 1 ounce pour into the little tin here. Now that is a thick syrup, so just let it sit there for a minute. Next we got freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're doing 3/4 of an ounce into the jigger there. Now we're moving into the weird zone here, so we have Angostura Bitters. Now usually this is used by the dash pour, but today for this cocktail we are going to be using 1.5 ounces. Now I didn't take the dasher off, so I'm actually going to bite it off because I can't get it off any other way. It's slippery. Yep, that's some Ango. Alright. So that's 1.5 ounces. I know that sounds crazy, but it's 1.5 ounces of Angostura Bitters. This is an expensive cocktail. Alright. And finally we're going to end it with some Rittenhouse bonded rye whiskey. Now this is some strong stuff, but it needs to cut through the Angostura. So that's why I'm choosing the Rittenhouse here. So that was just a 1/2 ounce into the jigger, into the tin. Alright. Next you're going to grab some ice here. I'm going to throw that in the big tin. You're going to add the cocktail to the tin, lock it up, and shake. We're going to double strain this cocktail. Usually any shaken cocktails you're going to want to double strain. You can try and close the gate, but my spring isn't that tight, so double straining for sure. Alright, and there we have it. The Trinidad Sour. This is going to be a very robust cocktail. Not many people are going to like it, but let's give it a taste. That is good. Obviously, the main flavor you're going to get is that Ango. It almost has like a cinnamon quality to it, and then you get a nice spice from the Rittenhouse. You need the Orgeat to give you that sweetness. Also thickens the cocktail up nicely, and then you get a little bit of that tartness from the lemon. Really good cocktail. So that's 1 ounce Orgeat, 3/4 fresh lemon juice, 1.5 Angostura, and 1/2 ounce whiskey, usually a rye, and today we use Rittenhouse. thank you very much. If you want to see more videos, definitely go check out my channel here. This is the first cocktail video though, but also leave in the comments if you want to see any other cocktails or how to make the almond syrup, so the Orgeat, which I made today. I'll probably post a video of that regardless very soon. Thanks again.